Welcome to Yung Just Have...
Welcome to Yung Just Have Podcast. Welcome to Yung Just Have Podcast.
Hi.
So, this is what's gonna happen this morning. I'm gonna
quiz you on... Hi, Jack.
Jack.
I'm gonna quiz you on main pop girls.
Okay.
Do you know what that is?
I don't know. No.
Game while you're going through your list.
Yeah, but before that, I'm just gonna say what's gonna happen.
Always na lang before that.
Okay, I was talking. Go na kay Jack.
Okay, go.
So, we're gonna talk about my stuff.
Okay.
And then we're gonna talk about my stuff, aka I'm gonna share my first race.
Okay.
And then some stuff on my list.
Okay.
Stupid shit. And then we're gonna talk about
Main pop girls. So off the top of my head,
main pop girls.
I just wanted to quiz you on main pop girls.
And then we would like to end by reading some. We're gonna zoom through bags.
Zoom scroll.
Ganda.
Bakit siya zoom? Kasi mabilis lang.
Yeah. So, but before all of that,
Uh-huh.
we'd like to happily announce
Mhm.
that due to parang okay lang naman ng June.
Kahit ilan. June.
Ako parang please, like, for me,
If you understand what we're saying, yun.
pero parang ang point ko is like mga grammar Nazi.
Oh,
Like fucking chill.
okay. Do you know that?
Like parang, it's not like you're saying, gets ko naman if you're gonna correct the person if he says like, there was the one. Right? There was the one. So, that's okay. But like June and Dune. Dune.
Jew.
Hindi. Yung sinabi mo kasi Dune eh.
Yeah, I was
Why
kidding.
Jew and Do? Parang, take a fucking chill.
YouTube or YouTube.
Oh, yun. Kunwari yun. Take a fucking chill pill. Ano to? English exam ba to?
Yeah, I'm guilty of that.
Kaya nga. That's why.
Well, okay.
We're just talking.
Galit na galit ka.
I just finished the race, okay?
Yeah, hours ago. Okay, so Jim did his first 10K.
Yeah.
What
Shout
was
out.
the preparation needed?
I've been just planning to do an official formal race, and I've been running. And if you listen to the episode with Manny, how he got into running, it just started out as, it's really so nakakatawa. Here's the thing, okay? For the first time in my life, I was doing a physical activity, like parang a workout that wasn't meant to, cause like I wanna lose weight or I wanna have gusto ko ng labor kay, you know. So it was for the mind, and I seriously mean it. Now, after our traumatic experience in the hospital last December, I literally just ran out of the village, and I was just running, and I literally became a head with legs.
A head with legs.
Yeah, like parang just a head,
A brain.
a head, a floating head, and
With legs.
cycling legs.
Cycling legs.
So parang, and it wasn't, I'm not thinking. But anyway, ang point ko is, so I've been running every day since
January.
March.
January.
Jan, oo nga. Halos every day. I have parang 5 to 6 times a week. Pero no goal in mind. Just, so today was my first race.
But you've done 10Ks before.
No.
I mean, like, just on your own.
I've done it twice on the treadmill.
Yeah.
And because there was an NBA game.
Yeah.
So in the comfort of aircon and watching an NBA game, now you know you can just chill and there's no one watching you. No one's forcing me to finish it.
Yeah, it's very different being on the treadmill and being outdoors. I personally prefer the treadmill and not being exposed to the elements.
Well, yeah.
Personal preference. Pero siguro I just haven't experienced it enough.
Ako rin naman eh. Hindi. Pero the thing is kasi, iba naman if let's say, yung view mo ay, let's say you live in La Union or Baguio or something, di ba na, ang sarap nun. Like
Mm.
looking at trees and
Well, I guess there's also the whole social factor of it.
hindi. The thing is naman, for me nga,
Ano?
I agree. I agree with everything you're saying.
Mhm.
Anyway, just to get to my point.
Okay, go.
So I feel like I was physically fit. I didn't seriously prep for it. All I knew is just try to go before 1 hour. And I've always
You mean go below, parang matapos mo
finished
yung
10K in below 1 hour. So and I was like, and running for me, it's always been very, very. I've never done long distance running.
Mm.
I'll run fast and then I'll slow down. I run super fast and slow down. And I would say that, like playing basketball, I'm pretty fast
Mm.
for my age.
Mhm.
But long distance running has been always so hard for me. Like having a steady pace and just focusing. So anyway,
Mm.
ang point ko lang is, it's really true na this sport is for the fucking mind.
What is considered a long distance run, by the way?
Hey, I don't know.
Okay. So
I think it's relative, hindi ba?
ang marathon is 42.
Half marathon is 21.
Okay.
Okay? And yung mga, imagine mo sabi.
Tapos may 5K, may 10K, may
Yeah.
3K.
Yeah.
Yun yung mga official parang runs.
Sana nga nakapag ano ko eh. Dapat nga, sana nag-try ako ng 5K rin.
Mm.
Just to see like, kasi
Maybe
ganito.
start with that.
Ito pala.
Oh.
So, I was up at 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Ito rin yung wild. The gun goes off.
There's a fake gun, right?
Like AK-47.
What?
Oh, parang
Assault rifle. 5, 4, 3, 2. Mapapatakbo ka talaga.
change is coming!
Wait. That was dark.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Okay.
That's not what I meant.
Anyway.
So, I got there. I woke up at 2 a.m. because the freaking race starts at 4:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay? So, I was up at 2.
Uh-huh.
Sobrang baliw. Diba? So, doing all my dynamic stretches,
Yeah.
like warming up, coffee, wrote on my, as in, sabi, I wrote on my notes pad per time, like what I'll do, 2 a.m. to 2:15, do slant board, do ganyan. While the coffee is being prepped, I'll do this, ganyan.
So
And,
nerd. Joke.
tapos pagdating ko doon, hindi ko mahanap yung information booth.
What?
Kasi sorry pero I mean like itong race organizers,
Oh.
medyo,
Didn't they have a map?
they do, but it's just very hard to access the information.
That's funny.
Why?
Wala lang, the information booth. Like, you can't find
Yeah,
the
that's all.
information.
It was hard to
Yeah.
find the information booth. So anyway, got my bib kasi the bib did not arrive. Or baka tinatapon ni Sab. I still blame her.
Sorry about it.
Tinapon mo, no?
Hindi ko alam.
Tinapon mo
I'm not aware. If I
Tinapon mo
did.
talaga.
Bakit ko itatapon, Jim? I stayed up until 2 a.m. so I could wake you up. Am I not sweet or
Oh,
what?
that was sweet.
Okay.
So,
I was getting so stressed because I was like, imagine like you didn't wake up for your race. That would
that would
freaking
suck.
suck. I knew
it's
how much
so-
this meant to
And
you.
it's so possible kasi.
It's possible.
Grabe.
In fairness, it was one of the very few times na isang kalabit ko sa'yo, you rolled out of bed.
Oh.
You were really excited.
I was excited.
I'm so happy for you that you got to do
So
this.
anyway,
Okay.
pagdating ko doon, shout out to Manny.
Manny and Therese.
Manny and Therese, so sweet. Looked for me kahit ano na, time was running out. Siyempre gusto mo, you want to be prepared in the starting line.
Ah.
Sinamahan nila ako, got my bib. Ang tagal pa na parang, imposible na wala yung bib mo. Tapos ako like, dude, ito, naka-Instagram ko yung guy. And he kept saying na, just go to the information booth. Finally, got my bib. We ran. On the way there, sabi ko, shit, naiihi ako. Tapos sabi, of course. Tapos sila Manny, malayo yung portalet. Habol ka na lang. Sabi ko, sige. Pero meron nata dun sa may starting line. Hindi ba, doesn't that make sense? Sorry ha. So
Maybe,
anyway,
or maybe people didn't want to smell piss at the starting line.
or at least near. So pagdating ko dun sa portalet, tinanong ko, boss, ba't ayaw gumana? So I was panicking. Kasi
Ayaw
like,
bumukas?
ayaw gumana, ayaw bumukas. Unlock, na, ano, sabi, 420 na? Gano'n? 420 na. And I was dun sa portalet. And I was like, boss, ba't di ba gana? Sabi niya, ayaw ng organizer eh.
Ha?
Ako, ha? Para saan ba yung portalet? So I was like,
Wait, totoo ba yan?
Yeah,
Ang labo.
I swear.
Piss in the wind.
I don't know. Maybe, sorry if I'm not, I don't mean to.
You're just saying what the guy
I'm just
said.
saying what the guy said. So, malas, if I'm sure the organizers weren't like that. Kasi everyone else in the
Ang labo nga naman kung the organizers are like,
Kasi,
lagyan mo ng portalet pero i-lock mo. 4:30 yung start ng race, 4:45 mo buksan.
pero the race, in fairness, the people were so nice. And it really helps nga when people are like, go, go, go. Oh.
How many people were there? Like hundreds?
Like, alam ko mga 900,000.
Oh, that is a lot.
So, anyway, sabi, so pagdating ko dun sa starting line, sabi ko kay Manny, kay Atrice, like, portalet. Sabi, it's like, tapos nakita ko 425. Sabi ko, I think Manny pretty much was like, shut the fuck up, man.
Oh. That's
like,
how he felt.
Just let me run.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
But he's so nice. So he was like, ako, you know me? Like, I need to, like, before a gig, before we go on stage, I pee like 10 times. So anyway, I'm like, shit. Biglang, okay, go na. Sabi ko, bahala na.
Yeah. So,
And hindi ko na inisip.
Oh.
So anyway, ito na yung kwento. So, we were
And
running.
people actually piss and poop their shorts in
the like,
real marathons.
Kasi that's fucking
I don't want to talk about it.
like
Okay.
3 to 5 hours.
I mean, I could hold my. I wouldn't know. Okay.
I think I feel anyway. So go
That's
na.
for another episode.
So nag-go na, diba?
Yeah.
And I was like, ang daming tao. And galing talaga ni
Masikip
Coach
ba?
Manny and Therese, in fairness, like they prepped me like, okay, the first 5 minutes kind of weird. First 1 to 2 minutes.
Because marami kang
Ang
katabi.
daming talagang takeover fest. So I was like, okay, look for Manny. He's wearing the neon hat.
Grabe tong mga experts na to. Pang ilang marathon na yarn.
Alam ko he charges like parang 2.5 per session.
Si Manny
as
coach.
Oh. Tapos reimburse ng gas.
Coach Manny.
So,
at takbo sa tabi mo, sasamahan ka niya maghanap ng portalet.
At ng shota. So, elabo.
Okay.
So anyway, so running. And then I was looking at Manny, the bright cap. I was like,
very smart, the bright cap.
Yeah. I had a bright cap. I was super bright.
You guys.
So I was running.
Neon.
And I was like, so I went super fast.
Because when you join a race like this, you're all wearing the same thing.
Yeah.
So it's really easy to get lost.
Okay. Headgear. So anyway, pagtingin ko, it wasn't Manny. So, and then parang pagtingin ko, nag-pause pa yung freaking Apple Watch ko. So like, if it doesn't happen on Strava, it never happens.
Yeah.
It's true. Come on.
You sound so ridiculous right now. You sound like Kylie Jenner talking about how she's being... kawawa siya because she's, being bullied online.
I don't care if I don't... I don't care if I sound ridiculous. It is...
It sounds
it is
a little...
gospel.
I think it's gospel. I believe it's gospel.
So, ako, like, at first to 2 kilometers. So, like, yun nga, nag-pause yung watch ko. So, medyo, nagpanic ako. And then, like,
if it doesn't happen on
yung breath ko, yung fuck, shit. And then that's when it started. Parang from that point on, medyo kasi, it was like, again, I don't run on the road. I like the treadmill. I like watching my series. That's tip. If you want to get into this shit, just watch it. Just make a pact with yourself. Na every show you watch it on the treadmill.
That's exactly what I did these past 2 days. I rewatched House of the Dragon, season 1. Sobrang ganda. Anyway.
Oh. Pero yeah. So,
ikaw, ano paranood mo?
Ngayon,
Mm.
The Boys.
Okay.
So, anyway,
Are you watching running videos on the treadmill?
yes.
Actually, alam mo, may link ako sa Podkids after party on Facebook. What I watched when I first got into running, it's called From Couch to 5K.
Yun yung
It's so
Yun yung-
good.
yun yung title natin ng episode with Manny.
Hindi, From Couch Potato to Hot Fry.
Ganda na.
Ganda. Sobrang ganda.
Ah,
Like, that was
nag-isip na,
really
diba?
smart. Like, you should write a book. Tara. Okay.
Maybe I should.
Oh no. It's
Running
gonna be a YouTube content
running for
creator
your
about-
life.
Running for your wife. Uy,
Ay, ganda na.
ganda na.
Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda yun.
Run for your wife!
Ang ganda.
She's coming! No.
No.
Mali.
So, anyway, ang point ko lang is, ang haba. Pero,
What is the point?
sobrang haba. But I think it's just a fun story lang na.
I like it.
Anyway, ang point ko lang is, the whole time, if you have anxiety, if you have issues like me,
Mhm.
of self-doubt,
It was nonstop. You were
chronic
saying,
guilt,
as you were doing your 10K this morning,
yes.
it was like you did it wrong. You're
It-
not
it
doing
was
it
like
right.
this. It
You
was
should
like-
stop.
Ay nako, bakit ko ba ginawa to?
Hmm.
Ay nako, parang, ano ba point nito? Tas parang, oh shit, madilim. Tas biglang next naman is, oh shit, you're dehydrated. Oh shit, you have to pee. Oh shit, you eat your candy na kasi, pero baka masuka ka. Oh shit. Like, ano yun? You're gonna run out of breath. Maglakad ka na lang. And then I finally decide, okay, after 3K, I walked a bit. It's like, you're walking? Ano ka ba? Nakakahiya.
Oh, no.
And then
Aw.
kaya ako sinasabi, like, at the first 5K, I was like, I am never
Oh.
gonna do this again.
Oh,
Kasi like, ang point ko is like, bakit ko ba kinakalaban? Like, why? Why am I making myself so uncomfortable?
Yeah. You're even saying like mali yung playlist mo.
Mali yung playlist ko.
It's so funny. I'm imagining you having this horrible self-talk while like Kendrick Lamar is like, they not like
No,
us.
not
They
the
not,
funny thing is,
hello Jim, pwedeng ako yung pakinggan mo, hindi yung
you know what the funny thing is?
thoughts mo.
So I was so smart. I thought I was smart. So I started with, I was the man being temporary.
Taylor Swift?
Yun yung starting ko.
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Parang hindi yata okay yun pang start.
And then after that was ano yan?
And on a 10K.
Who's afraid of little
Bakit ka Taylor Swift? I tried running to Taylor
Hindi,
Swift.
ang sarap.
No, absolutely not. As in,
masarap.
ayoko.
Ay nako.
Nope,
Hindi,
nope.
maniwala ka sa akin.
Sobrang
Maniwala
hindi
ka.
gusto.
Na-try mo
I
na.
tried it when we
Ito.
when we went running in UP. The worst.
Ito nga.
The worst.
No.
The worst yung playlist. Like listen to Taylor Swift.
Hindi kasi ako, here.
For the first time.
Hindi,
Sorry.
pakinggan mo kasi ako. Pakinggan mo ako.
Kasi na kape. Ako na muna. I tried
Hindi
it.
ka naman athlete eh.
Excuse me, I'm a hybrid athlete. Okay?
Ah.
I run in the morning and then I get like
I
I
sleep for like 4 hours.
I crochet for like 5 hours. That's some fucking dexterity runs.
So, last na. I just want to get my point across.
Okay. But I was gonna say
Pa-finish line
I
lang.
was
Pa-finish
feeling-
line lang.
Sobrang feeling ko, I was gonna say, Swifties back me up. Pod kids. Do you like listening to Taylor Swift as running music? Hindi, di ba?
Let me nga explain.
sige, go.
Ipuputol ko nga. The start kasi,
Okay, go.
what my strategy was, I'm gonna run slow at the start. Okay?
Okay. Baka antokin ka nun.
Hindi.
Sorry, sige. I'm gonna shut up. Okay. Is it a podcast or is this like a solo pod? What is it?
So I wanted like something chill. So parang Fortnite and then ganyan. And then it goes to parang kasi after 1K, I'll go na to my goal pace. So I'll run faster na. Cruel Summer to start it up. So parang puro Cruel Summer. Sarap. Pero usually in my normal Cruel Summer runs, usually when it gets to the
Yeah.
I'm back to Jamaica. That part, I'm like, whoa!
That is a good one to
Pero
run
doon
to.
kanina, wala. My brain was, wala. It was so loud. And anyway, my point is if may pangbudol man lang ako for anyone trying this, is the most addicting part is when you pass the threshold. And kasi I came to a point na, tama na! Gumano ako sa sarili ko. Like,
Good.
in my head. Like,
Yeah.
yo, Jim,
Yeah.
shut the fuck up. You've been through so much shit.
Yeah.
Kaya mo to. You're just running a race. You don't have to finish in a certain time.
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's
Be
good.
kind to yourself.
That's
Relax.
so good.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya
That's
mo yan.
great.
Ano ba?
If I were to give you a tip, which I am right now, unsolicited,
And then saktong, sorry.
I would say to try to say it out loud. Not even kailangan tama na, Jim, but kahit sabayan mo si Taylor Swift going like, kahit mumble mo lang out loud. I don't wanna make that, because you just have to be louder than those voices in your head.
That is true, but I'm just too shy. And then lastly,
for those who need
I've
to.
never had the natural energy of a Blue Bubble battalion or a cheerleader na,
Mhm.
tara guys, let's go!
Mm.
And usually, it's kasi they usually those people are in like certain places na you don't really expect them to be. That's why I get easily annoyed.
Mm.
Gets mo? Like
Mhm.
parang, come on guys, it's 5 a.m. We're talking about company culture. Parang, bakit hindi ka nagsasmile?
Mm.
You know? But in a race like this, wow, I loved it. Like,
Yeah.
nakisabay ako at one running group. Their coach, nakikinig ako. He's like, tara guys, ganda, 5K. So
May mga coach talaga per group.
oo, may mga
Fun.
leader, whatever.
Ah,
It was so like, whoa! And then pagdating ko dun, yun nga lang, may
Cute
mga,
naman, nakikisabay ka dun.
oo, may mga section dun
Ah.
na medyo Ascal Fest, na medyo grabe yung terrain, medyo
Yung
lubak.
mga yung
lubak.
football players? Joke. Sila,
No, nandun sila, young husband,
Sila yung husband.
may dalang tuna. So,
Nakahubad. I mean, like, showing off their bods.
yeah. So, anyway, yun lang. And then, yun lang, ang sarap lang kasi when,
Wait, sorry, continue that part na may Aska section.
may Ascal section, may,
It wasn't closed off?
it was off naman, but like lots of water stations in Fair. Anyway, when I saw the finish line, I was like, oh my God, I willed myself and I talked to Jim
Hmm.
and parang I supported him instead of my normal go-to, which is fucking fighting with him.
That's good.
So I was like on a high. I was like, yeah,
That's
shit.
great. That's an achievement because old you would have never talked kindly.
Yeah.
Diba? You would have been defeated by yourself.
Yes.
This is great. I'm really happy for you.
Anyway, ito pala. Wait lang.
Not pod kids thing. I wanted to go into my main pop girls.
Yung main pop girls. Oh, for the next
quick
episode.
lang to.
Hindi, pero yung gusto ko lang sabihin nga is we're gonna go on a new platform. Pala.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is the Big News Pod Kids. So we're gonna try it out.
We're gonna put it on the description.
Yeah. But we're gonna try to do a semi-daily show
Mhm.
na Pod Kids can openly join. It's easy to access. You can, but parang radio style siya, parang morning show style siya.
Mhm.
Na you can become a caller. It's not through Zoom. So you can stay anonymous and like you can ask questions. It's ayun. So anyway, we're gonna
Should be
announce
fun.
it soon. Yun, and go.
Okay. So we were talking about listening to Taylor Swift while going on a run. And I just wanted to know ano yung anong tawag dito? Ano yung knowledge mo on main pop girls?
Okay.
So name the pop girls that you know.
Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, Mariah Carey, go on.
Go on.
Marami. Billie Eilish, Taylor Swift,
Recent.
Lady Gaga,
Nice.
Miley Cyrus,
Nice.
Sabrina Carpenter,
Hayup.
Dua Lipa,
Hayup.
Mandy Moore.
Why not?
Oh, keep going.
Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Beyonce.
yung mga recent, yung mga recent ones,
Uh-huh.
I bet, hindi mo naman, Sabrina Carpenter na yung pinakakilala mo. There are a lot of new ones.
I know a lot. Clairo.
Hindi siya main pop girl. Hindi yun eh. Hindi, it's a Phoebe Bridgers, hindi yun. Like, have you heard of Tyla?
The creator?
si Make Me Sweat, Make Me Water. Do you know that song?
Yeah, you made me hear that. I like that one.
That one?
Yung I Wanna Kill You or something? I Should Have Killed Her?
No, that's SZA.
Ah,
Iba siya.
okay, yun.
Si
gusto
SZA,
ko yun.
ano ulit?
I Should Have Killed Her.
I
Ayun. I love that.
It's called Kill Bill.
Oh, I love that.
But si Tyla is like this really like bombshell. She's
Yeah. Wala na akong alam dyan sa kila Megan Thee Stallion. Sino si...
Megan Thee Stallion, I love.
I just wanna make my ex. In my ex. In my ex.
Ah?
And in my ex.
Sino yun?
Ano yun? Harry Talion?
Ha?
Megan Talion?
Megan Thee Stallion.
Hindi. Isa pa. Parang Harry
Styles?
Harry Talion.
Ano yun? Sing more.
Wash My Hands?
Excess by Tate McRae.
Hindi.
Wash My Hands. Megan Trainor.
Megan Trainor. I can use my ex in my butt. In my...
No. I'm all about that bass.
Yeah.
In my butt. In my butt. Niliteral mo naman yung bass.
Okay.
Tate McRae.
Yun ba yung ginulpi sa Empire?
Yung fake news. Oh no. That's okay.
Please, if you don't know that, that is a fun.
This one. Mga TikTok girlies, yung mga ganyang
Okay.
Sabrina Carpenter, you know. Sino yung...
In fairness, I like na espresso.
You like espresso?
Namanami.
Lamanena. A favorite ng sister mo, Badubi?
Yeah.
Is that how you say her name?
Bea
Badubi.
She's sikat na?
Badubi. Pero hindi pa ata siya considered main pop.
I thought she was like with the Phoebe Bridgers.
I don't know.
Okay.
Sino pa yung isa? Sorry. Ayun na ata yung mga alam ko ngayon.
Si Ice Spice.
Ice Spice? Alam mo, I don't know any songs by Ice Spice. Sorry, si ano pala, Fave. I've still yet to deep dive, but Chapel Roan. Clara's Fave.
Yeah.
She's cool.
I like that song.
Yeah.
Sino yung isa pa? Taiga?
Tayla nga eh.
Hindi, may isa pa. Taiga.
Taiga Woods. Taiga. That's a rapper.
Sino yung isa pa? Ice Spice.
Nicki Minaj. That's it.
Yun na ba?
Well, I think that might be it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we've got a bunch of episodes coming soon, and plus we're gonna do that.
You forgot to say your fave, Carly Rae Jepsen.
Oh yeah.
Let's make a thread on bit.ly/podkids after party and share your fave main pop girls, because we gotta get with the times, gotta get with, I don't even want to say Gen Z, but Gen Alpha. Ano ba yung Gen Alpha?
Yeah.
Mga anak ba natin yun?
Ganun ba?
Hindi, Gen Alpha sila, mga high schoolers ngayon. Tama ba?
I don't know.
You know what? Just correct us I feel like a big boomer right now. Big boomer energy. All right. Save me.
Bye.
Bye.